Hello, this is Mrs. Smith, and I wanted to just give you a quick overview on Edmentum so that way you'll know how to just quickly check over your students and kind of know how they're progressing through the program. So you will log into your Clever and you will go into Edmentum. I did add Edmentum to my favorite so that way I could easily find it, or of course you can search for it. Once I get in, sometimes it might tell you that you're logged out. Just hit log in and it will log you in with your credentials for the district. Once I am inside of Edmentum, my screen looks a little bit different from yours, but it is because I have a little bit different rights. But I'm going to go up to my courseware and I'm going to pull up a course that I had from this summer, and I'm able to see the program that I have up is the Cater Medal 2019, and then from here my course sections are all these that are listed here. So I'm making sure that I'm in the right spot, and then from there I can actually check on the kids and see how they're progressing. So the first thing I'll do, anything that's blue or you're getting a finger on is a hyperlink, and when you click on it, it will take you into the actual course where you can see the students' names. Here to tell you just a quick overview of how many kids you have together in that class. If you have any locked students, meaning maybe they did not make the score that they needed for to pass the actual either mastery test, or if it was a quiz that they were taking, it will lock them and kind of make them go back through a tutorial. All right, I'm gonna click on this student here. And once I pull up this student, it kind of tells me still a quick overview, kind of their current grade. It'll give you a pacing status to let you know if they're on target. It's like a little running person here. They'll either be red, yellow, or green to let you know whether or not the student is on pace. Of course, this is an overall course grade, and then the number of activities that are complete. You can quickly see how much time they spent total in Edmentum here and how many tries they have had inside of the actual program. As you go down, this just shows you the layout of all the things that they're actually giving them tutorials on and testing them on. All of the units do start with a pre-test where the students will take some type of pre-test where they're going through, and if they make well enough on it, it actually will give them the star that they've mastered the actual unit. If they do well enough on it. If they do not, it will have them progress through the tutorials and of course through the mastery test. Once they get finished with all the tasks that are there, you are going to be able to see that they have completed all of the coursework. This is just an example of because they mastered some things in their pre-test, it'll actually exempt them from some things if they do well on it, that they will not have to complete that. Due to this being a summer school program that we use, you will see the semester test. We actually went in and locked that. So you do have a little bit of power inside of Edmentum to go in and lock out courses, or if you see a student they're only jumping in and taking only mastery tests and they're not going through any tutorials and trying to better themselves that way, you can go through and you actually can lock those particular courses, and you really just hit the three dots that's beside it and then you can lock it. You actually can hide it too, or if you feel like they've mastered that just from you're talking to them, doing a small group with them, and you need to exempt them from a task, you also can do that here. Again, it was just a brief overview of Edmentum. We will have a more one-on-one and face-to-face. If you have any questions about it, please don't hesitate to reach out to me and I'll be able to do all that I can to help you.